So now we're going to talk about filtering a table. First, I'm just going to go to division, and if I want text filters, I want it to equal to, and I could say whatever word I wanted it to equal. If I wanted to just have the technical and choose OK, I'm only going to see the technical people. And I can go back up and clear the filters for the division. Next, I want to show how you can do a range. I'm doing the filled date and date filters, and I'm going to go to custom. I want all the ones that are after or equal to 4/1/2021 and before or equal to 6/30/2021. When I choose OK, I will see just the ones in April, May, and June. Let me clear that filter as well. The next thing, we're going to scroll out here to L, and in L2, I'm going to type an account number, 2850, and then I'm going to do something called a vertical lookup. I'm going to look up in this table over here based on that number, and so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm going here, I'm going to go to the lookup and reference and choose a VLOOKUP. And for the lookup value, I'm going to click L2. The table array, the name of this table is table 1. I hadn't changed it, and that's what it is by default. The column that I want them to display is the division, which happens to be A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So I want the third column to show. And then for the range lookup, I'm going to type in false. And so I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. And it says 2850 is the creative one. Let me just type another number here as it says in the 6234 and press enter. It's the technical one. So that's how you do a lookup. Lastly, I'm going to do summarizing for right here, and it works pretty much the same way. I'm going to click right there, and I can do my different formulas that I have before. I could do an insert a function and do let's see, I want to search for in the database functions, and um, I could do a dsum and choose OK. And so it's going to say what database do I want to search, the field that I want to search. And if I move this over, remember I was doing technical division, so I was trying to find out how many were technical. And so the database, let's see, I'm moving, I need to move over until I get A1, which highlights everything right there. The field I want is going to be um, they're saying here the commission one is what I'm wanting, and I want the criteria to be what's in K7 and K8. So K7 and K8, technical division. And that's how it